Alright, fam.
Fam, we're ready. Kadik brought us to a good place.
So this is our first activity. ATV riding. Kadik cooked it up.
Yep.
Free says worked a little magic. But it's a little bit late in the day. Usually we start a bit earlier, but we had things to do today.
It's about to rain, and I feel like that's even more fun while you do this.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Be able to just get around more.
Guys, we're just going to our next activity. At first, gotta put your socks on.
Socks.
And then you put it into your gum plate like that. Thank you.
Brother,
So thank you, sir. Stand up. Look at mommy here. Cheese, smile.
Baby, tour. So he's already showed us how to do everything, but you guys are gonna have to go inside here. So inside here. Alright fam, so we had a little quick pit stop, took some pictures and videos here by our instructor, the man. How you feeling so far?
Guys, best experiences have to book here. I love the scenery and they just, really good. Bagus.
What? How are you? You okay? Yes. Alright. Alright guys, we are showered up, ready to have our lunch.
This is included in the price that we got.
Yeah, that's what you get when you suss out these trips, whether it be what's called water sport or this. They'll have little things like this where you get to have lunch or the transport as well. So yeah, we're gonna dig in. Off the top, that track, so we've done a separate track before. This track is like, it's right up there. I'll give it a 8.
I give this track a 9 actually.
It's right up there, right?
Yeah, we've done this like a couple of times, and this one is at the top of my list.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright guys, so our driver has brought us onto our next part of our day trip. We are at the Butterfly Park. It's about 20 minutes away from the ATV, and Toa is excited. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I think Sera said also there's a water park in here, so.
Oh, that's so pretty. Animal zone. Oh, I can see the butterflies. It's in those nets. Come on.
Bye-bye.
Look. Go. Go, baby. Come here. You silly boy. Go. Whoa! Butterfly!
Wow, Toa.
No. That's an external butterfly. You like it? Look, they're playing together. Don't move. Go for them to come. Butterfly. Come here. Land on my finger. Look, Pepe, look. Oh, that's an orange one. Oh, Pepe, look at this. Come here. No, Pepe.
So we are right inside where all the butterflies are. Toa is loving it.
Oh, this kid is obsessed.
He's talking to
Say
them.
hello.
That's just a little close up on all the butterflies of all sorts. One there. Toa's having fun with his new friend. He's saying come. He's telling us to come.
No, Pepe.
You're not ready for that, my boy. These are all the cocoons. Different species.
Those are the cocoons. Honey, go to. Don't touch, please.
Oh,
Hey, look at that big one.
oh, Toa, look.
What does that mean? They're
One,
old
two,
or they're...
Just hatching.
Hatching.
Oh, they're hatching.
But it don't live very long.
Wow.
No, now that's why they only last for 5 days.
5 days, they die
There's
so...
only might and die.
Guys, we just got our tickets. And you know what? We are actually gonna go through, you know when your kid is like too tall, too big?
No, you know what? You know those parents that are like, they have to carry the kid's passport or birth certificate to identify their child as being like whatever age that they're meant to be? That's gonna be us, because the lady was trying to charge us for Toa, but Toa is free. He's only 2 years old. And she's like, no, he's not. I was like, yes, he is. I was like, pulled out his passport.
Yeah.
I was like, he is. He's 2 years old.
This reminds me of the kids, you know, when you go to the rugby games. They're like, how old is he? And then you got to get the birth certificate or the passport. So,
Just to show that he is too, guys. He's just a big baby.
Oh, man. So
How
it was
much?
25.
How much?
25 each. So we're moving on to the next one. Oh. You want to go in?
I want to go in there.
That's cool. Come here. Well, look. Yeah, okay.
Mommy!
Crazy. Yeah, look here. Look, we are on this glass bridge. It is crazy. It is crazy. Honey, how you feeling?
Oh my god.
That's not fair. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see down there. We had to put, before we cut off, we had to put on these special shoes. This is crazy. You're right. Good. Come up, Victor. Man, this is actually insane.
That's it. Like,
This is crazy.
only glass is holding us up.
You alright, baby? This is okay. Okay, guys, we are nearly at the end.
Guys, and we have to walk back.
The tour's all good. Tour's looking down. Trying to have a look down. And we are here.
Bro, no, but why? Look, it's cracked.
Hey.
Why? Is that a part of the style?
I hope so.
That was good.
Thank you, Toa.
Guys, we did it. That walk was crazy.
Wow.
For the chance to be with you, I'm ready with you. Right down to the wire, even to the fire.
Alright, famous, it's come to that time of the vlog. We're near the end, mate. And it's time to eat. Look at that. Beef rib, fish and chips, pork belly, duck spring roll. Tour's ready.
No.
Says is ready.
We had such a good day out. The activities that we did today, it was such a good day today. I enjoyed it very much with my little family. And yeah, guys, you need to go because I just want to eat and then go sleep.
So yeah, thank you, family. God bless you all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Rah.